Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Just out for a little walk today. I'm at that same park I was at the other day, just at the parking lot. Not really, just gonna see where the trail takes me. There might be some nice river views and whatnot. Yeah. Pretty nice parking lot. There's a little turnaround here. Oh, nice big cedar tree. The river's down there. I can actually see a big raft coming. That's cool. That looks like fun. Maybe I can get a closer view as I get down there. So, just trying to get out a little bit. Unfortunately, I have to work graveyard tonight and tomorrow, so I've got some free time. So I didn't want to waste it. So, back at the picnic area, which I didn't walk very far, so I'm always taking these little side trips to check out the river. That's pretty much what I'm seeing right now. Oh yeah, very nice. Never get tired of seeing stuff like this. I'm gonna swing back, head to the car. I'm gonna do lunch today too, so I have my lunch outdoors versus inside. so the video will follow. I like this park. It's quite nice. I had no idea what those rafters were up to. Some guys were swimming through the river. I don't know if they were search and rescue or maybe they were qualifying for something. But no idea. I just left and I didn't want to bother them. So, there's a few. Looks like I can get down there, but I really don't want to go down there. So, now we're in this big open picnic area. They even have covered places. So those days when it's dumping rain, I can still come out and do videos for you. Horseshoes. They even have little fire pits. Well, I should say, they have a fire pit here. But at the picnic table, they also have little fireplaces. A really big covered area right here. You could do like a big... Oh, it was fire. There's a fire truck over there. They might be practicing water rescues. I heard they did that here. Very cool. Didn't see a vehicle down there. I don't know what their plan was, but if I get down there, maybe I'll ask them. Like I said, I didn't want to bother them any more than needed. You know, they have an important job, so. I guess I'll go back to the car and get lunch going. So I listen to a lot of talk radio, and yeah, because I like it. It's pretty interesting. But one of the radio hosts one day on the Ron and Don show, it was Don, was saying, you know, just get outside and do something outdoors. You know, it's like, this is a great point. Plus, also, look up. Because we're always so focused on our phones or on electronics or looking down. I mean, I suppose you could argue that I'm focusing a lot of attention towards the camera. But, yeah, I took that as a, yeah, let's get outside. Let's get outside and enjoy the outdoors. It's an overcast day, but it's not like it's raining on me. Even if it was, I have rain gear. I mean, I've got my Gore-Tex hat on and my rain shell. So, you know, people would spend too much time doing this. Like, you know, maybe put the phone down every now and then. That's just a nice day, and there's not, you know, it's a weekday, so there isn't a ton of people here, so it's quiet. You know, look up, see the animals, if there are any. Just past like a little wood shed, or probably a maintenance shed. No idea what's in there, but. I didn't even try the doorknob or anything. Well, almost back to the car. So thanks for watching. It'll probably be a short video. This is, you know, not a bad thing. Quality over quantity. As always, thanks for watching. You know, stay tuned for more videos. I have plans and stuff I want to get done. You know, time allows. Energy, motivation. If you have any videos that you want to see, things you want me to talk about, you know, just mention them in the comments. The comment section is probably my favorite part of the YouTube. I mean, subs are nice and all, but sometimes I just want to hear what you guys have to say. So, or videos that you want to see. Yeah, food for thought. Alright, peace out. Ugh. So there's this little outhouse here. This door is locked, but the other door is unlocked. Toilet full of crap. Oh, damn. That is grade A, 100% nasty. Ugh. I opened that door and that smell hit me first. Oh. Oh. Man, go dig a hole. Jeez. Whew. Thought I'd share that. Hope that made your day.